Yo, it was twice, yo.
Was it hard to take out? Why you ain't called a girl or called me? Guys, we're back again. This is Roshanhair and this is
Lizzie.
Make sure you follow her on Instagram at
QueenBola_.
Period. And make sure you follow me on Roshanhair Miracles 2 on Instagram. And today, guys, we'll be doing our frontal wig install. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share, and enjoy the. Child, it takes a long time.
Yeah, so
if you don't, it comes out rubbery.
Yeah. So then, so my mom ain't get the oxygen until like 3 p.m. that day. I'm like, yo.
How am I going to do
I'm like, yo, I'm down to make it because like she just brought the oxys and stuff. And then she like, it's okay, you know, just like marinate for an hour. I'm like, so I'm like, no, whatever. So I'm still trying to. I was texting her, I'm like, yes, it's so good. Even my mom loves it. Africans are picky.
Yeah.
And she's African too.
So you want to make sure you braid down your hair really small and then not too small, but you know, small so that it will be flat. And now you want to oil your scalp. I like to do the ball cap method. What you do first is you put the ball cap on, and then I just put a glue around it. Make sure it's over the edges, not on the edges, and then I just let you know spread it on there and then let it dry. And then this allows the ball cap to stay on the head for the whole entire install, which lasts about 2 to 3 to 4 weeks depending on maintenance and how you take care of it at home. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? And guys, this is not no Chick-fil-A. This is not no Applebee's. This is Exquisite Eats. Period. Yes. Make sure I put your order in. Period.
So once the semester over, I'm gonna start cooking again. So just DM me, place your orders.
And she do events. She do everything.
Yeah. So I don't sell.
So I put a thin layer of the Ericka by Ericka J glue on the cap so that it can melt into the skin and help with a flawless install. All the things you do, all the things you do, all the things you do. Now I put 3 layers of glue, 3 to 4, using Lacegrip and Ericka by J glue. I mix both of them. 2 layers of Ericka by J and then 1 layer of Lacegrip. all the things we do, 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 all the things we do. Look at that melt though. Ooh. See, y'all need a book. Y'all need a book. I'm located in Philly, by the way. Anyone that wants the book, make sure you go to my IG, Roshanhair Miracles. Follow me and book your appointment. I do house calls as well. Sew that wig down for extra security. So before we go into styling the hair, I like to press it out bone straight, and this is for curls or even crimps. So today we're doing crimps, so you just want to press their hair out bone straight. Take your time. So now time for the fun part. So for crimps, what you want to do is use a bit of holding spray, not too much, but not too little as well, because you want the crimps to hold. And then hold each part for like about 5 to 10 seconds, and then go down. Take your time at this point. And I'm using iron crimper. It's like the best one. It's very high heat, and it's really gonna make them crimps crisp with a P at the end. So you want to make sure you're taking in like small section, not too small, but you know, like a good amount, just like this one, and work your way down. You got this. You all share it with your friends, subscribe, like, and share. I got so much videos coming up soon, and it's gonna be very interesting, so stay tuned. Leave your comments, let me know what you think about it, and yeah, stay tuned. There's a lot of exciting things going on this year. Lizzie, put your head up real quick and then shake it. Ooh, shake it real soft though, real soft. Yes, I'll see it. All right. We kicked the teacher out, and he was like, "This is a party." My brother was like, "Why would y'all do that?" He gonna kick my brother out, like. You know, they be cursing the teacher out. They was like, "Mr. Been gone for switch. Why did you mark me absent? I was here."
Oh my god, what grade is this?
This is 11th. They do something else.
They are
Bad kids. Her working. She said, "I am doing the work, but it's just gonna take me a little time because I'm still like, you know, mourning from the loss of my like 2 friends. Like it was like actual things that people are going through. Like, you know, that's like it's hard for them to focus. So like that was like really
there was a lot of losses this year.
Like a lot of losses. People losing people left and right. Like nobody was safe. Nobody's still not safe.
That's right.
You really gotta pray over yourself and your friends. Like,
it's just sad, like seeing it. It's just like a lot of people who like just posting like, oh, they just lost their friends. Right. Like, I be feeling so bad, like I lost that person. Like
yeah, like dang.
Cause I can't imagine like what they're going through right now.
I know this one girl. She this one client. She was telling me that one of her friends, she lost her mom. She lost her mom recently from something, and she said she think it was because of her, because basically like she don't be home. Like she sometimes just be with her friends and stuff like that. Because it's like be a lot going on, and she lost her dad at a young age at 9. So now she basically got her sister. But here's the thing with her sister. Her sister treated her like very like bad. Like she tried to call the cops on her. Like she tried to she put her phone on this thing where it's like it won't be active at like 10 o'clock in the night. And she come from work like at 11 in the night. So her sister basically like really mistreat her.
It's like you gotta be thankful for the life you have now, because people be going through 10 times worse.
Right. Like people be passing every week. Are you looking for a good iron?
Yeah.
This is iron. I got it from this place up Solid.
Production. 1, 2, 3.